Hey, it's Cliff, and today's video is going to be about how if we want more people to come into the cryptocurrency world, we need to understand that the benefits of using cryptocurrency have to actually be better than what they're coming from, typically like a bank or something, right? So, a lot of what this video is going to be about is CRO, which, if you don't know, Crypto.com has this token called CRO, and basically the idea was that you would stake CRO, and based on the number that you would stake is how much you would get in this tiered card system here. So this is the new rates that they're actually giving out, and as you can see here, they're not very good. The best rate that they have is 5% here, and I'm not sure exactly what you needed to stake to hit this obsidian level here, but I'm sure it was quite a lot of money. And so when their users saw these new rates, a lot of them were just completely upset. I'm sure this is devastating. I personally don't use Crow. I don't have their card or anything, but I've been reading a lot of the comments from people who are in the system, and they are very upset. So basically what they did is you could stake Crow and you would earn rewards. What they did is they took away the rewards. So a lot of these people had a lot of money staked in Crow, and now they either, if they're in that locked in period, they're still earning those staking rewards, but people aren't going to restake because they took away the rewards. So you have people who are in this Crow token here, and I can show you the 6 month mark here, and they're locked into it, right? They're staked. So depending on where they got in here, they could be down 50% to over 50%. As you can see right now, Crow token is 31 cents a pop. At the height, it was 90 cents. So just imagine, like, you're in this system and you're doing it mainly to earn rewards on your Crow card and also get the staking rewards, and now you're locked in and you can't get out and you're losing 50%. So imagine your money has halved or more, and there's really nothing you can do about it. So as I scroll down, I could see that they offered Spotify and Netflix. So really, that's all the benefit that they're getting besides this pittance of a reward. But I guess my point is, like, this is worse than a typical credit card. Like, why would I stake 100K or so into Crow token, taking a huge risk just to get Netflix? Like, that doesn't make sense to me at all. So obviously everyone in Crypto.com is going to be leaving this platform, because why would you stay? And just the amount of users that are losing money on this stake is insane. But I can pull up any credit card here, and most of them are giving you 5% cash back. So for Crypto.com to say that they're the top is 5%, depending on how much they have staked, but most people are probably around this range, the 0.5 or the 1.5. Like, what's the point? We now have a system here where people are definitely not benefiting, because I could just go and get this credit card and get the same thing. Most of these credit cards now offer Netflix, or at least something of the equivalent. You could go out and you could get Disney Plus or something, and you don't have to lock up any money. You just need to have their card. They take a one shot at your credit, but then you're good right after that. So what I'm seeing, and I don't know if it's just because we're in a bear market, of course rates are going to be adjusted. Rates everywhere have gone down, I'm sure, but they've essentially made this to the point that no, you're not moving to a better system, so why would anybody want to participate? So they're going to lose a lot of users. And it's not just Crypto.com. I'm not just picking on them. You guys know that I love Sologenic, and one of the things that I saw here when I went to their Fiat On-ramp. So let's say I plugged in 4,500 here, and granted, this is for like a credit card system to on-ramp and get Sologenic, but still, just look at these fees. As we scroll down here, they're wanting 65 cents on the XRP. you scroll back over here, XRP is at 62 cents, rounded. But they're charging you 3 cents just to purchase. You know, that's the spread. Like clearly this system is taking advantage of people. I can understand they have the fee down here as well, because you're using a credit card, there's going to be transaction fees, you know, like that makes sense to me. But and on top of that, they're going to do a spread. Like, how much money are they making off these people? I mean, just on the spread, let's say I'm spending $4,500 and I'm going to get 68.94 XRP. They're making over $200 right there, just to themselves. This company here, this bank's company. Like, why would anyone use this? How is this better? How is this better right now? Like, it's you're taking advantage of people, where I now have to earn $300 just in this transaction to make it even break even. So why would anyone want to do this? So yeah. Anybody who's into Sologenic, definitely don't use this fiat on-ramp, because this is bullshit. Like, why should I pay $300 to these people? It's stupid. I could go to anywhere else and try to find a reputable exchange, and you know, that isn't going to screw me over. Like, that's one of the things that I really liked about Celsius, is that the rates were good, but then also if I wanted to withdraw, they paid all the gas fees. They didn't charge any transaction fees. They were an actual reputable company, and that's why I promoted them so much. But obviously, with the regulations going on, they can't even do their thing anymore. So I guess the point of this video, I just want to kind of like point out that these companies are ripping people off. That's what it comes down to. So you got to be safe out there. Yeah, I'm just kind of disappointed to see, like, Crypto.com was a face of crypto. Like, this was on the MMA stuff. Like, it was literally everywhere. They did so much in marketing, and now people are going to be thinking about being ripped off now when they think of crypto. Not only that, but the amount of people that probably recommended friends and family to get into Crypto.com, and now they're down 50% on the CRO token. Like, that sucks, man. Imagine if you're one of those people who recommended a friend and now they lost half of their money. You're gonna feel like some kind of asshole. So yeah, do your research, look into these companies. Rates are gonna go down. I understand that, because we're pretty much in a bear market. We can pretty much admit that at this point. So rates are gonna adjust, but they shouldn't adjust to this level. Like, this is to the point that why would anyone even use this? You know? Anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.